How to verify your Discord account. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open Discord application in your mobile device. Once you open the application, all you have to do is simply log in to your Discord account. So once you're logged into your account, you'll find your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Tap onto it, and just like so, from your profile, tap on the settings like icon, and inside settings you want to go ahead and tap on account, and just like so, tap on your email address. Inside here, you'll be able to find a send a verification code button right over here. Tap onto it, and just like so, a verification code will send to you in your email address. So you want to head back to your home screen, open Gmail, and find the email that is sent to you by Discord. Just like so, as you can see, this is the code right over here. You want to go ahead and copy the code. And once it is copied, head back to Discord and paste the verification code right over here. Once you have pasted the code, tap on next, and just like so, you'll then be able to verify your Discord account. That ends the video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.